Take for instance PC6. It's an ordinary label, but beneath its surface lies the rich essence of Neiguan, the inner gate. It's a reminder that within the realm of traditional Chinese medicine, every name carries profound significance, offering insight on the point's location and/or function. Welcome to another video on meridian and acupoint exploration. In this video, we will look at the acupoints along the Pericardium Meridian and learn creative mnemonics to help you remember their names and functions. So grab your notebooks and let's start. The Chinese name of the Pericardium Meridian is Xinbao Luojing. In Chinese medicine, the pericardium is considered the heart's bodyguard. It protects the heart physically and emotionally, regulating emotions and maintaining harmony. Imagine it like a cape surrounding the heart. If you want to get to the heart, meaning the emperor, you have to go through the pericardium. The meridian runs along the inner arm, starting near the heart and ending at the tip of the middle finger. The first point is t.c.m, meaning celestial pool. It's located 1 cun lateral to the nipple in the 4th intercostal space. The main functions of these points are mastitis, excessive phlegm, and alleviating chest pain. A good mnemonic for this point would be celestial pool beside the nipple's arc in the 4th space. Its energy will spark. Next point is Tianquan, meaning celestial spring. It's located in the depression between the two heads of the biceps brachii muscles, 2 cun below the anterior end of the axillary fold. Main functions of this point are palpitation and alleviating chest pain and hiccups. A good mnemonic for this point is celestial spring, where flows abound, 2 cun below, serenity is found. Please notice the Chinese character of water in this name as well. The third point of the Pericardium Meridian is called Chuzi, which means crooked marsh. The point is located at the midpoint of the cubital crease in the ulnar side between the tendons of the branchial biceps and the branchialis muscle. The qi goes into the curved depression at the opposite side of the elbow, like water flowing into a marsh. So this name was probably given due to its location. Main functions of this point is local pain in the arm or tremor. It clears heat and alleviates stomach ache and diarrhea. A good mnemonic for this point is crooked marsh, where bends do bend. In the crease, its relief does send. The fourth point of the Pericardium Meridian is Ximen, which translates to cleft gate, like a cracked door. Imagine a door where the qi of the meridian enters and exits. This point is located on the palmar side of the forearm between the tendons of palmaris longus and flexor carpi radialis muscle, 5 cun proximal to PC7. Main functions of this point: hemiplegia, epilepsy, hematoptosis. It calms the mind, for example, hysteria. A good mnemonic for this point is Shi gate, where energy flows, 5 cun above, where balance grows. Next point is Pericardium 5, and its Chinese name is Jianshi, which means intermediary courier. It's located 3 cun above the crease of the wrist on the line between Ximen and Daling, between the tendons of palmaris longus and flexor carpi radialis muscle. The main function of this point is to clear heat, slow, irregular pulse, and mental disorders. A good mnemonic for this point is intermediary courier, messenger of relief, 3 cun above, to heal is belief. Next point is Pericardium 6. Its Chinese name is Neiguan, which translates to inner pass or inner conjunction. It's located 2 cun above the crease of the wrist between the tendons of palmaris longus and flexor carpi radialis muscle. The main function of this point is for spasmodic pain of the arm. It calms the mind in case of insomnia, amnesia, depression, alleviates nausea, vomiting, and helps with irregular menstruation. A good mnemonic for this is inner gate, where balance is key, t.c.m above, where peace does decree. The 7th point of the meridian is da-ling, which means great mound. It's located on the palmar aspect of the forearm between the tendons of palmaris longus and flexor carpi radialis muscle at the midpoint of the crease of the wrist. The name here was given probably because of its location, due to the crease of the wrist looking something like a mound. The main function of this point is cardiac pain, heat stroke, and alleviate pain and mental disease. A good mnemonic for this point would be at da-ling, where the mound is great, pain and heat it can alleviate. Next we come to the 8th point of the meridian, which is lao gong, which translates to labor palace. It's located on the palm between the 2nd and 3rd metacarpal bones in the center of the palm. Main function of this point is to clear heat for epigastric pain, coma, hysteria, wind stroke, etc. This is a very important point, just like Naguan. A good mnemonic for this point is labor palace, where sweat does cease, in the palm center, where healing increase. Next is the 9th and last point of this meridian. Its Chinese name is Zhongchong, which translates to central hub. It's located at the center of the tip of the middle finger, where the nail ends. Main function of this point is to calm the mind, clear heat, it's good for tinnitus, and infantile convulsion. A good mnemonic for this point is on the fingertip, serenity is found, clearing heat, calming mind, it's healing profound. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, be well.